Okay, so I have a question, and maybe someone can help me answer this question because I'm totally, like, very confused by this whole situation, right? But okay, so I'm not that confused. This is just the life of a parent. How is it that you can have a clean place 1 minute and then the next minute your place just looks like a complete disaster after your children done ran on through? How? Let me show y'all this place. What is going on with this situation right now? What is really happening right now? Could somebody please explain the situation to me right now? This place is clean, less than 7 hours ago. And this is just getting ready. This is getting ready in the morning. This is what it is. This is what it is. This is what it is. So we're about to take care of this right now. We're about to take care of this right quick. All right? We're about to snatch this right up until 2:30, until the kids come home again. Now that's a little bit better, right, guys? The only thing is, it's 1:51. That means the kids are gonna be home in 25 minutes or so. So that's it. It's gonna be over. It's just gonna be over. It's gonna be over for me. Oh my God.